Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Yaris timing chain. Begin by disconnecting the battery and draining coolant if required, then remove the accessory belts and engine covers to access the front. Label each bolt and take reference photos of belt and chain timing marks. Keep the crank at top dead center and compare new chain length to the old one before installing guides and tensioners. In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Yaris timing chain. Start disassembly by rotating the engine to top dead center, then secure camshafts with locking tools and remove the tensioner. Carefully unbolt the chain from the crank and cam sprockets, keeping parts in order. Clean mating surfaces, check for wear on guides and sprockets, and replace any damaged components before moving to reassembly and setting timing marks precisely. In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Yaris timing chain. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is awesome for setting timers, cueing steps, and playing how-to audio when your hands are greasy. It keeps instructions audible while you work and makes phone calls easier if you need help. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Yaris timing chain. Fit the new chain and guides while maintaining cam and crank alignment, then install the tensioner and torque each fastener to spec. Slowly rotate the engine by hand 2 full revolutions, then recheck timing marks and torque values. Replace gaskets, reassemble covers and belts, refill fluids, and run the engine to listen for unusual noise while rechecking for leaks and proper idle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.